In this video, I'm going to show you how to upload files to Google Drive and share the link with others. You can use this method to upload and share documents, photos, or even videos. The process is the same for all file types. Alright, let's get started. First, open up Google and search for Google Drive. Click on the first link that appears in the results. Make sure you're logged into your Gmail account. Right-click here and then click on New Folder. You can name the folder whatever you'd like based on what you're uploading. Once you've typed the name, click Create. Now you'll see your new folder appear in your drive. Go ahead and double click on the folder to open it. Now, open the folder on your laptop or desktop where your files are saved. Simply drag and drop the files from your computer directly into the Google Drive folder you just created. You'll see the upload begin. Once your files are uploaded successfully, you'll see a green check mark next to each one. All right, to share a file or folder, click on these three dots next to the file you want to share and then click Share. You'll now see three sharing options. In this box right here, you can type in the email address of the person you want to share the file with. Or you can click on this section that says Anyone with the link. Now you'll get three permission options. Once you select the permission level you want, click Copy Link. Now you can share this link via email, WhatsApp, or however you prefer to send it. And that's it. That's how you upload files to Google Drive and share them with others. If you found this helpful, be sure to give the video a like and don't forget to subscribe for more simple tech tutorials.